Hi guys and welcome back. So today we are making Pink Velvet Cupcakes with a cream cheese icing, perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's begin. Into your mixing bowl of choice you will want to put your butter and your sugar and mix the two together until well combined. Once well combined, you will then want to add in your egg and mix that until it's very well incorporated. Next you will want to add the food colour and the vanilla. I will leave all the weights and measurements in the description down below. You will then want to add the colour and vanilla into the mixture and mix until it's one solid colour. So next you'll want to add half of your buttermilk and mix that in, add half of your flour and mix that in, and repeat until you have no buttermilk or flour left. So once all of your buttermilk and flour are incorporated, you'll want to scrape down the sides of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. Add the bicarbonate of soda and vinegar, it will fizz, and then just mix that in to combine. So once you've got your cake batter, you will want to fill your cake cases around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, and I will leave all the baking times and temperatures in the description down below for you to remake these if you decide to. To make the cream cheese icing, you'll want to start by putting your butter into your mixing bowl of choice along with the icing sugar. And you'll want to mix those two together over a medium-low speed just until it starts to clump together. You'll then want to add in your cream cheese and mix this over a medium speed until it's incorporated, and then put it on high until it becomes thicker in consistency. As the mixture becomes thicker, it will start to become smoother, so don't worry if you see the odd lump. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. Your icing is ready to use straight away. So once my cupcakes were fully baked and cooled, I then finished them with the cream cheese icing. You can decorate it however you like. I used a plain tip nozzle and a star nozzle, but you can use whichever you've got or whatever you've got, and then you can finish it with some sprinkles. I use some red sprinkles here and some pink sanding sugar just to fit with the theme of Valentine. And that's about it for these cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another upload. If you have any suggestions for videos that you may want to see, leave them in the comments down below or contact me on one of my social medias. I will leave my tags down below. These cupcakes turned out perfectly, so I hope you get to remake them for the loved one in your life. And if it's not for a loved one, why not share them with friends and family?